ORF, 11th of March 2024, concerns resurface regarding the China-Pakistan WMD Nexus. As a proxy in its conflict against India, China supplied Pakistan with nuclear material, technology, and design. The country has since been caught transporting sensitive materials to Pakistan. A few days ago, Press Trust of India, PTI, an Indian news agency, reported that Indian security agencies had intercepted a Chinese ship en route to Karachi at the Nhava Sheva Port in Mumbai. The vessel was halted on suspicion that it was transporting a dual-use consignment that might have entered the nuclear and ballistic missile programs of Pakistan. On January 23, Indian customs officials intercepted the Malta-flagged merchant ship CMACGM Attila during an operation prompted by intelligence input. The Defence Research and Development Organisation (DRDO) of India examined the cargo and disclosed that it contained an Italian-made computer numerical control (CNC) machine. The prospective application of the DRDO in Pakistan's nuclear program was also established. According to multiple Indian media outlets, the CNC machine cargo was en route to Pakistan Wings Pvt Limited in Sialkot from China. According to media reports, an additional investigation revealed that a portion of the shipment was intended for Cosmos Engineering, a Pakistani defense supplier that has been the subject of an internal inquiry for the past 2 years. Since 1996, CNC machines have been regulated by the Wassenaar Arrangement, WA. The WA is among the international export control regimes that aim to prevent the proliferation of dual-use items, which are articles with military and civilian applications. CNC machines' utility in nuclear and missile programs has been recognized for some time. North Korea has allegedly utilized imported CNC machines in the course of its nuclear program. The WA has recognized India as a member since December 2017. The Ministry of External Affairs of India states that the WA seeks to promote transparency and greater responsibility in transfers of conventional arms and dual-use goods and technologies, as well as prevent destabilizing accumulations, through information exchange among members. The MA further stated that India remains prepared and committed to work in close cooperation with other members to advance the WA objective. Collaboration between China and Pakistan in the proliferation of nuclear and missile technologies is not foreign to India, however, such interceptions have not transpired in quite some time. An examination of the historical record regarding nuclear and missile proliferation in the vicinity of India reveals substantial indications of proliferation networks originating from China and Pakistan. A nuclear weapon design that China had provided to Pakistan ultimately found its way to Libya. Pakistan's missile program has been constructed with assistance from China and North Korea, a development that has caused India particular concern. Moreover, the transfer of certain nuclear and missile technologies from Pakistan to third parties, such as North Korea and Iran, has raised concerns. The AQ-Khan incident proved the vast proliferation network that China and Pakistan had successfully established throughout Asia and the Middle East. The claim that Khan operated independently, as asserted by Pakistani and Chinese officials, has been met with significant skepticism. Recent transfers are, to some degree, unprecedented. China pledged to strengthen global non-proliferation objectives upon its early 1990s accession to the Nuclear Suppliers Group, NSG, and the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, NPT. However, Beijing's ties with Pakistan indicate that it has not wholly fulfilled its commitments. India has maintained vigilance despite China's less active facilitation of such transfers than in the past, possibly because Pakistan has already obtained most of the required technologies. China's assistance to Pakistan in obtaining restricted goods from the United States and Europe mainly concerns New Delhi. India apprehended a single incident in February 2020 in which China was purportedly transporting dual-use items to Pakistan. The 2020 incident, as reported by the DRDO, pertain to the transshipment of an industrial autoclave from Zhongyin Port, China, to Karachi. On February 3, 2020, the shipment was halted at Kandla Port in India. Similarly, the ship was detained in response to an intelligence tip-off. Although initially recognized as an industrial dryer, the autoclave aboard the vessel is, in fact, a dual-purpose device that is significant in the manufacturing process of rocket motors for ballistic missiles. The concerns above regarding proliferation between China and Pakistan persistently trouble the Indian security establishment. The concerns that India has regarding the proliferation of nuclear and missile capabilities are widely recognized. In response, India has implemented several domestic and international measures to halt these destabilizing tendencies. India enacted the Weapons of Mass Destruction and Their Delivery Systems, Prohibition of Unlawful Activities, Act, 2005, which prohibits illicit activities about weapons of mass destruction and their means of delivery at the national level after the India-US nuclear deal was signed in 2005. In a similar vein, India, which has been the target of numerous global non-proliferation regimes in the past, has joined several technology control arrangements, such as the Australia Group, the Wassenaar Arrangement, and the Missile Technology Control Regime. Despite its initial skepticism, China has since thwarted India's efforts to join the NSG. Despite Pakistan possessing a marginally more significant number of nuclear armaments than India, the latter maintains apprehension regarding the ongoing expansion of Islamabad's nuclear and missile initiatives. Moreover, New Delhi is concerned about the strong ties between its two principal military and political adversaries, China and Pakistan. This most recent interception will only serve to strengthen these concerns.